Hello, wonderful English learners. It's Sophia from the English with Sophia YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my morning routine in New York City. Mornings in a big city can be very busy and exciting. Let's explore what a typical morning looks like for me. What is a morning routine? Before we start, let's understand what a morning routine is. It's the things you do every morning after you wake up. It helps you start your day in a good way. Everyone's routine can be different. A good routine can make you feel happy and ready for the day. Now let's go through my morning in New York City. Waking up. My day starts early in New York. 1. My alarm clock? It rings at 6 a.m. I use my phone as an alarm clock. 2. Getting out of bed. I stretch my arms and legs. I open the curtains to let in some light. 3. Making my bed. I think it's important to start the day with a tidy room. It only takes a few minutes but makes me feel organized. Morning exercise. I like to do some light exercise to wake up my body. 1. I do some simple poses. It helps me feel more awake and less stiff. 2. Short workout. I do some jumping jacks and push-ups. This gets my heart pumping and gives me energy. 3. Deep breathing. I take a few minutes to breathe deeply. It helps me feel calm and ready for the day. Getting ready. After exercise, it's time to get ready for the day. 1. Taking a shower. I like to take a warm shower in the morning. It helps me feel fresh and clean. 2. Brushing teeth. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I use a timer to make sure I brush long enough. 3. Getting dressed. I choose my clothes for the day. I check the weather to know what to wear. 4. Doing my hair. I brush my hair and style it simply. Sometimes I put it in a ponytail or leave it down. Breakfast time. Breakfast is an important part of my morning. 1. In the kitchen. I go to my small New York kitchen. I turn on the lights and open the fridge. 2. Making breakfast. I usually have oatmeal with fruits. I also like to have a cup of green tea. 3. Eating and planning. While I eat, I check my schedule for the day. I make a mental list of important things to do. Preparing to leave. Before I leave my apartment, I need to get a few things ready. 1. Packing my bag. I put my laptop and charger in my bag. I make sure I have my keys and wallet. 2. Checking the weather again. I look out the window to see if it's raining. I decide if I need an umbrella or jacket. 3. Final look in the mirror. I check that everything looks okay. I make sure my clothes are neat and tidy. Leaving the apartment. Now it's time to head out into the city. 1. Locking up. I double-check that all windows are closed. I lock my apartment door carefully. 2. In the hallway. I say good morning to my neighbors if I see them. I walk to the elevator or stairs. 3. Lobby area. I check my mailbox for any letters. I wave hello to the building's doorman. Walking to the subway. In New York, many people use the subway to get around. 1. On the street. I join the flow of people on the sidewalk. The streets are busy with people going to work. 2. Passing local shops. I see cafes opening for the day. Sometimes I stop to buy a piece of fruit for a snack. 3. Walking to the station. I walk a few blocks to my nearest subway station. I enjoy looking at the tall buildings around me. At the subway station. Using the subway is a big part of New York life. 1. Entering the station. I go down the stairs to the underground station. I hear the sounds of trains and lots of people. 2. Using my Metro card. I take out my Metro card, subway pass. I swipe it at the turnstile to enter the platform. 3. Waiting for the train. I stand on the platform with other passengers. I look at the signs to make sure I'm on the right side. Riding the subway. The subway ride is my time to prepare for the day. 1. On the train. I find a seat if there's one available. If not, I hold on to a pole to stand safely. 2. During the ride. I might read a book or listen to a podcast. Sometimes I review my English vocabulary. 3. Watching the stops. I pay attention to the station names. I get ready to exit when my stop is coming up. Arriving at my destination. Finally, I arrive at my stop and exit the subway. 1. Leaving the train. I make sure I have all my belongings. I say, "Excuse me," if I need to pass people to exit. 2. On the platform. I follow the signs to the right exit. I walk with the crowd up the stairs. 3. Back on the street. I take a moment to orient myself. I start walking towards my workplace or school. Starting my day. Now I'm ready to start my day in the city. 1. Feeling prepared. My morning routine helps me feel ready for anything. I feel awake, clean, and organized. 2. Looking forward. I think about the good things that might happen today. I feel excited to use my English in real situations. 3. Being part of the city. I enjoy being part of the busy New York morning. I feel connected to all the people starting their day too. Reflections on my morning routine. My morning routine is important to me for many reasons. 1. It gives structure to my day. Having a routine helps me feel less stressed. I don't have to think too much about what to do next. 2. It helps me practice self-care. Taking time for exercise and a good breakfast is healthy. Starting the day calmly helps my mental health. 3. It prepares me for speaking English. Listening to English on my podcast practices my listening skills. I'm ready to speak English when I get to work or school. Tips for creating your own morning routine. If you want to create your own morning routine, here are some tips. 1. Wake up at the same time every day. This helps your body get used to a schedule. Try to wake up at this time on weekends too. 2. Do something you enjoy. Include an activity you like in your routine. This will make you look forward to your mornings. 3. Prepare the night before. Choose your clothes for the next day. Pack your bag in the evening. 4. Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Add new habits to your routine slowly. 5. Be flexible. Some days might be different, and that's okay. Your routine can change as your life changes. Conclusion. Having a morning routine in a busy city like New York helps me start each day positively. It gives me time to take care of myself and prepare for the day ahead. Remember, a good morning routine can be different for everyone. The important thing is to find what works best for you. I hope sharing my morning routine has given you ideas for your own mornings. Maybe you can practice describing your routine in English too. It's a great way to learn vocabulary about daily activities. Keep practicing your English and remember that every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Until next time, this is Sophia from English with Sophia, saying goodbye and have a great morning. Important vocabulary for A1 learners. Here are some key words from this lesson that are great for A1 English learners. 1. Wake up, verb, to stop sleeping and become awake. 2. Routine, noun, the things you do regularly every day. 3. Alarm clock, noun, a clock that makes a noise to wake you up. 4. Shower, noun, verb, a way to wash your body under falling water. 5. Breakfast, noun, the first meal of the day. 6. Subway, noun, an underground train in a city. 7. Commute, verb, to travel regularly to and from work. 8. Schedule, noun, a plan of what you will do and when. 9. Exercise, noun, verb, physical activity to keep your body healthy, to do physical activities. 10. Prepare, verb, to get ready for something. 11. Busy, adjective, having a lot to do, full of activity. 12. Habit, noun, something you do regularly, often without thinking about it. 13. Stress, noun, feeling of worry or tension. 14. Healthy, adjective, good for your body or mind. 15. Practice, verb, to do something regularly to improve your skill. Remember to practice these words when talking about your own morning routine or daily activities. Good luck with your English learning journey.